In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to download and install dbForge for SQL Server. So at here, you should write dbForge Studio for SQL Server. Now here, this is the official link or dev or .com. Now click there. Now here after dbForge Studio for SQL Server, click. So at here we have two options. First is buy now or download. So you can buy now so you get lots of feature. Now hereafter I'm going to show you how to do with the trial version. So click the download button. Now here this is the dbForge Studio for SQL Server v5.7 Enterprise trial. So if you want, then here you can get the trial for 30 days. So this is trial and here this is express. So this is not for trial. Now here after let's select this one. The size is 1118 MB. Now here after click on save file. So at here file is downloading. So it will take 8 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video. At here the software is completed successfully. Now hereafter click on open file. Now hereafter click on yes, and hereafter welcome to the dbForge Studio 2019 for SQL Server. Let's click on install, and here this location I'm going to install. Click on next, and hereafter create a desktop icon. It's checked. Now hereafter click on next. So this all those things going to install. Now click on next again, and here generate image for all assembly during the installation. So this option it's good. Now click on next. So at here this is the extracting the files. Installing the files. So at here installation completed. Now here after click on finish. Studio 2019 for SQL Server. So it's for 13 days trial. Now here after let's click on cancel. Now here after the first is we need to create at here database connection. So at here I'm going to connect with SQL Server 2017. Now here SQL Server authentication, and here let's give username SA, and here give the password, and here after if you want then here you can use add here any database here. Now here you can give test for test. Now click on test connection. So successfully connected SQL Server version. Now here after click on OK. So at here all the database on SQL Server 17. So it comes inside dbForge Studio 2019 for SQL Server. So this is the way we can download and install dbForge for Studio for 2019 SQL Server. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.